Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on not the first and the biggest meme coin on the TON network or the open network, which I know a lot of you are interested in this. So I wanted to make a video on it today. It launched yesterday afternoon. I wanted to cover it, but yesterday was a bit of a busy day, so didn't really have time to cover it live. And the launch so far also hasn't been that positive. All right, so right here we're looking at a 15-minute time frame. One of the things we talked about when we talked about my review, I think I did on Monday or on Sunday, one of the main things we talked about is that, all right, well, if this has potential, like this can have potential, and it still does have potential, because a TON has grown exponentially. All right, so then we're talking about the network that this coin is based upon. Excuse me. So that has grown a lot, and there's some minor meme coins on there, but nothing big. All right, so there was room for a bigger meme coin built on TON, and NOT has a lot of momentum. It was launching on all the big exchanges. It was a relatively fair launch. But what you then have, and that's also what we talked about, is that the valuation is crazy, all right? This is not a meme coin. A meme coin doesn't launch at, what was it? Like yesterday, it was above $1 billion in valuation. That's crazy. You don't do that. I mean, what meme coin starts at above a $1 billion valuation? That almost smells like there's something going on here, which is a bit shady, which I don't want to say, but who knows, all right? Because at that valuation, I'm not even sure why you would do that at that valuation. You can do it at a much lower valuation and still reward the users a lot. So it almost feels like there's some venture capital or something in the price. But all right, I mean, so far market circumstances are obviously still relatively down, even though Bitcoin has been quite strong. We're not in that much of a bull market on the short term. And it's a fully airdrop project, which right now all of these airdrop projects, apart from this being a ridiculous valuation, most of them dump. All right, so I still think I'm not fully bearish on NOT. Right now we're actually getting towards market caps where I think, all right, well, that's a possibility. Or at least from there we might be able to rally. But what we need to see is some bullish confirmation. All right, now you can see that the main support level we're holding at is right here at like 0.65, 0.6 cents. What we need to see is I think this valuation is still too high, but at some sort of a valuation like maybe 600 or 500 or $400 million, there I think we have the possibility to turn this around. And that's what you have to wait for. All right, fundamentally, I think there are enough reasons to think that this could turn around. With the hype it had, I mean, $1.4 billion in the first day is a lot. In less than a day, it's like 21 hours now. It's very hyped up. It's on TON. TON is very hyped up. So that's why it can rally, but we just need to get a bullish breakout above the 50 EMA, above 0.7 cents, maybe 0.75 cents even. But we just need to get some sort of a breakout with momentum, and then we can rally. But until that time, I expect this to continue to be bearish. All right, so be careful. Be careful buying into this, and definitely don't buy into this without bullish confirmation. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.